Hello friends, today we will complete or test your integration in Salesforce unit of this Trailhead module. So I have already opened this in new tab. So launch your Anypoint Platform account and then you need to click on Applications tab in the Anypoint Platform account. Then you can see your deployed application over there, so you need to click on that. After you can see the public endpoint URL in that Anypoint Platform account. Then you need to click on that. So once you click on it, you will see the lead successfully inserted. Later on, you need to confirm the changes is done in your playground. So let's go back to your playground, click on app launcher and search leads. So you can see this drop down. Let's click on it and choose all open leads. So here we need to confirm this you can see the company name is Fletch Communication is here or not, and the Vertigo Heights. So like how you have completed your challenge, now we can verify this. So verify step to earn 100 more points.